And note on the problem. Determine the vertical deflection of the frame at F. The load is such that the tension members of the frame are stressed to 150 Newton per mm square, and the compression members are stressed to 75 Newton per mm square. E is equal to 200 kilonewton per mm square, and this is the frame given for us. I'm just drawing the frame. So this is the problem here. They are asking us to calculate what is the force, what is the vertical deflection of the frame at F. Here what is given in the question? The load is such that the tension members of the frame are stressed to 150 Newton per mm square, and the compression members are subjected to stressed to 75 Newton per mm square. Okay, so first of all, using our please draw this one. This is also there. BC member is there. Please draw BC member also. First of all, we will calculate what is the force in each individual member from this due to the application of force at W. Okay. Now go to free body diagram at F. Now what is this angle? Just to see this one, this is 5 meters. So you go with the tan theta. This is theta. Tan theta is 5 by opposite side by adjacent side 5 root 3. So 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is nothing but tan 30. So theta is 30 degrees. Theta is 30 degrees. Whereas coming to here, this is also same thing. It is also 30 degrees. Because 5 by 5 root 3. Whereas coming to here, if you consider this one, in this case, this is 5 root 3, this is 5 root 3. So tan 45 is 1. So this angle here, it is 45 degrees. This is 45, here also this is 45 degrees. So first of all, for the given problem, calculate the angles made by with respect to horizontal. Now take free body diagram at F. So draw the free body diagram at F. A downward force of W is acting. An inclined force in FD is there, or DF. A horizontal force of EF is there. This is 30 degrees. Now resolve this DF force along horizontal as well as along vertical. So with respect to adjacent one, this is cos. So here this is f df sine 30. This is f df cos 30. Now sigma fx is equal to 0. Now this is minus f df cos 30 minus f ef equal to 0. Now whereas here sigma fy is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0 in this case. So what is the downward force? Minus w minus f df sine 30 equal to 0. So f df is nothing but minus w by sine 30. So sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So which is nothing but minus 2w. Make a simplification. Keep w like that only. Keep w like that only. Why? Because the problem is in terms of forces are to be calculated in terms of w. So force in df is nothing but 2w but is minus, which is compression. Now, substitute this minus 2w in the above equation. Minus 2w of minus cos 30 minus fef equal to 0. And this is nothing but cos 30 is nothing but what is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. So this is minus into minus plus 2 and 2 will cancel. Root 3 into w is equal to fef. That implies fef is equal to root 3 into w, which is positive. Hence, this is tension. Here, after completing with the free body diagram at F, we need to go for the free body diagram at E. So when you go for free body diagram at E, draw the free body diagram at E. So when I am writing the free body diagram at E, here a downward force is there, that is force in E, and here a force in EF is available, and an inclined force is there, which is force in C, and this is making an angle of 30 degrees. So now resolve the force along x-axis as well as along y direction. So this is FCB cos 30. This is FCB sin 30. Sigma Fx equal to 0 minus FCE cos 30 plus FEF equal to 0. You already know the value of FEF, which is plus root 3 into W. Substitute that one. Minus FCE to root 3 by 2 is cos 30 plus root 3 into W 0. So FCE is 2W in tension. So FCE minus of FCE root 3 by 2 plus root 3, you can cancel this root 3 and root 3, so that will be nothing but 2W, which is tension. Now sigma Fy is 0, minus FDE is coming in the downward direction, minus FCE sin 30 equal to 0, minus FDE minus FCE sin 30 is equal to 0. Substitute here minus FDE minus 2W by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So here FDE is nothing but minus W, which is under compression. So we have drawn the free body diagram at E, and the forces in FCE, forces in CE as well as forces in DE are calculated. Just see this one. When you are solving this, the first unit is already covered. Method of joints. Once again, you are revising method of joints. Once again, we are revising method of joints. Those who didn't do, please do it. Along with me, please do the problem. Now, after completing free body diagram at E, go for free body diagram at D. Go to the first the diagram. You can observe here. Here there are three members meeting. The force in D is known. Hence, two unknowns are there. You can go to free body diagram at D. So draw the free body diagram at D. So here at D, a force is there. And here there are four members that are meeting here. DE force is also known. This DEF force is also known. We have to get CD as well as DE. CD and DE forces are to be obtained. So to get that one, here, just let me draw once again properly. This is number, there is joint D. At this joint, this is force in D. Force in DF. Force in BD. Force in CD. This is joint. Now we have the inclined forces are to be resolved. So resolve the inclined forces. This is force in DF. What is the angle here? This angle is 30 degrees. Just to see the diagram. What is the angle there? Just see the diagram here. This is making 30 degrees angle with respect to the horizontal, and this is also 30 degrees. This is also 30 degrees. Now, so this is FDF. You can resolve them as FDF sine 30 as well as FDF cos 30. Sorry, please make a correction. This is FDF cos 30. This one is, and this one is FDF sine 30. Now write down the equations. Sigma Fx equal to 0. Now for this one, minus FCD, your force is going in the negative direction, minus FCD plus FDF cos 30. So FDF, what is the force in DF? Any one of you tell me what is the force in DF? Minus 2W. It is minus 2W. This is minus FCD plus of minus 2W. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this is nothing but FCD is minus root 3. minus 2 3 into W is FCD is minus 2 3 into W, which is represented as sigma F y equal to 0. So sigma Fy equal to 0 in this case plus FDE plus FDF sin 30 minus FBD equal to 0. In this case, here we should know what is the value of FBD. So FBD is equal to FDE plus FDF sin 30. So FDE is just calculated, which is minus W. FDF, where is the value of FDF? FDF is minus 2W. So write down that one. Minus W plus of minus 2W into sin 30 is 1 by 2. And the answer is minus 2W. So FBD is minus 2W, which is after calculating the free body diagram, there is after calculating the forces for CD and BD. What is a force that we require? Just see this. We got the answers here, 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 here. And we should know what is the force in AC. That's it. So to get that one, take free body diagram at C. Take free body diagram at C. We should know what is the force in AC. That's why I'm taking free body diagram at C. So to get free body diagram at C, represent all the forces in the free body diagram. This is force in CE. The horizontal force is there, which is force in CD. An inclined force is there, which is force in BC. And do we got the force in BC? Please check it once. No, we didn't get it. So force in BC is also calculated. Similarly, force in AC is also calculated. We require these two things: force in AC as well as force in. This force is also not calculated. BC is not calculated. So force in BC is to be calculated. Force in AC is to be calculated. Okay. To get that one, we have drawn the free body diagram and represent the angles also. This is 45 degrees. Please see the dimensions and accordingly represent the angle. Sigma fx is equal to 0. When you are giving sigma fx is equal to 0, we have to resolve the forces along x-axis as well as along y-axis. This FBC is FBC sine 45 cos 45. Whereas here FCE cos 30, FCE sin 30. I'll write down the equations. Sigma fx is equal to 0. That means FCE plus FCE cos 30 plus FBC cos 45 equal to 0. Force in CD. Force in CD is nothing but minus root 3 into W plus FCE. Force in CE 2W. Force in CE is 2W cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus FBC, that is unknown, FBC cos 45 0. So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Here this is plus root 3 into W, this is minus root 3 into W. These two things will also be cancelled. So FBC will become 0. FBC will become 0 here. Now FBD is sigma Fy. Now take sigma Fy equal to 0 minus FAC minus FBC sine 45 minus plus FCA sine 30 0. Now here FBC sine 45, this term is 0. As FBC is 0, you can make this term as 0. So we require the value of FAC. So FAC is nothing but FCE sine 30. What is the value of FCE? 2W. So 2W into sine 30 is 1 by 2. That is W, which is emission. Now let us move to the calculation of the deflection. If anyone is asking me to wait, I will wait. If people say that, sir, please wait for 2 minutes, then I will wait for you people to come. Alright. Now, after getting the forces, now we will move to the calculation of the deflection. So before that, it is mentioned that by now, it is mentioned that tension member stress equal to 150 Newton is given the problem. That is nothing but plus P by A is 150 Newton per minute. Compression is minus P by A. Why? Because negative is indication of compression, minus 75 ton per minute. Now, here we will convert all the forces in newtons, like all the units in Newton and mm. Why? Because the stress is in newtons and mm. Assuming W is also in Newton, the length of the member will also be converted in terms of mm. The length of the member will also be converted in terms of mm. Just first go to the diagram. Let's go to the diagram. Here it is given as 5 root 3. This is 5 meters. What is this length? DF length. What is the length of DF? This is nothing but square root of 5 square plus 5 root 3 whole square. What is the value? What is the length of the member? Pi square under root of 5 square plus 5 root 3 whole square. Okay, right. So here this is 10 meters. Now you know that 5 root 3 is nothing but 1.732 into 5, around 8.660 meters. The value is 8.660 meters. Now coming to BC member, see length of BC member here. This is 5 root 3. This is 5 root 3. So here the length of this member is 5 root 3 whole square plus 5 root 3 whole square. What is the value? 12.247 meters. 12.247 meters. Now, after getting this, I will wait for 2 minutes. Please complete until this. If this portion is completed, inform me. I will continue further. Yeah, Gautami, your answer is 28.1185. Please check it. 8.1185. Is there any mistake from my side? I will correct it. Is it same for everyone? Yeah. Let's take the response from others also, then I will continue. No problem. Please let me know the answer for U, sigma p square L by 2AE. Post the answer in the chat box. Yeah, Shailesh lost 27.1175. Gautami, once check it, ma. Yes, most of the students, they got the answer as 27.1185. Gautami. If from your side, if there is any correction is required, please check it and confirm the same. I hope all of you are doing along with me, right? Where do you went wrong regarding your problem? Yeah, 20 series 148 Hazrat Bhanu. Yeah, correct, sir. 27.185. Good. Hazrat Bhanu, is she available here? Yes, sir. Okay. Are you getting the answers, ma? Are you getting the answers or not? Yes. Okay. Right. Now, let us go back and complete the problem. Here, after getting u value, we know that from yes. So here, after getting u value, that is strain energy 27.1185 into W. Now we should get the deflection. To get the deflection here, deflection at F from strain energy method. Deflection at F delta F is equal to 2U by 2U by W or 2U by T. Here this is nothing but load that is acting at load at so 2 into 27.1185 into W, right? This both will be cancelled. Then deflection at F is nothing but 54.237 mm. Remember this. Here all the units deflection is to be calculated in terms of. All of you note down this question and try to solve this.